It was time to buy a new washing machine, when a belt broke in our 15-year-old Whirlpool top loader, and also oil fluid started leaking out. We read lots of reviews and viewed many online videos, but based our purchase decision primarily on a recent Consumer Magazine report, ranking the LG WT7150CW as the best-rated top-load high-efficiency washer. We always look to get the best value for our money, and after using this washer for the past 2 months, we're very satisfied and happy with our choice. Before actually receiving the washer, we had 2 possible concerns, neither of which materialized. A few reviewers had opinions about this washer not supplying enough water. Based on our many washes, water is not an issue at all. There's always enough water to get our clothes clean. Just to make sure, we usually also select Water Plus. During wash cycles we've observed clothes not only being swished about but also being pulled down below. Since impellers were new to us, as we've previously only had agitator washers, we were a little hesitant about switching. However, we've found our clothes have come out just as clean using LG's impeller, and as a side benefit it's been gentler on fabrics than our prior agitator washers. Compared to previous washing machines we've owned, this model runs quietly and has little vibration, even during a high spin cycle. Based on lots of actual use, these are our current 3 favorite wash settings. Speed wash takes about 28 minutes. We usually change the default soil setting to normal, also press Water Plus. We especially like the turbo spray which comes on during rinse. Deep wash, under 58 minutes. We often change the default spin setting to high, so clothes come out with less moisture, shortening drying time, and usually we also select Water Plus. Heavy duty, less than 2 hours. Frequently a soil setting of normal is adequate. We turn on Water Plus. Our Costco installation was quick and smooth. The evening before the installation we received a confirmation text message, and the installers phoned when they were a half hour away. 2 installer guys arrived on time, and although it was a close fit, they got the washer through our basement door without any scratches. They installed the 2 4-foot black rubber water supply hoses that were included in Costco's price. They've not leaked and hopefully will last many years. It would have been a nice touch if the installation came with stainless steel hoses, like those featured in other stores. The installers did not have a leveling tool with them to adjust the washer. Only when I brought up leveling, did they adjust the washer's feet using a bubble app on my smartphone. Their final installation check, testing the washer with an empty tub, was pressing the power button. Then very quickly simultaneously pressing spin and soil. This runs a 3-minute installation check to show any possible error codes. This washer is Smart Diagnosis enabled. It works with LG's ThinQ app, which I installed on my family's Android smartphones. The phone receives washer diagnostic info using audio tones. Neither Wi-Fi nor Bluetooth is involved. Running the app gives step-by-step instructions. Hold the mouthpiece of your phone near the power button. Press the power button and then press the temp button for 3 seconds. The washer starts emitting tones, sounds like a fax machine, giving the ThinQ app the diagnostic info it needs. A screen with smart diagnosis results and general tips and maintenance appears. It's a pretty useful and innovative cost-effective solution. The documentation that comes with this washer is comprehensive. There's a 50-page printed owner's manual and a fold-out quick guide. Additionally, there are many washer answers and tips posted on LG's website. LG offers support via chat and has a presence on Facebook. When we've had occasion to call the LG and Costco toll-free telephone technical support lines, our questions were addressed by a helpful and courteous staff. We bought our washer from Costco because they are reliable and offered the lowest total price, after factoring in costs of shipping, installation, water input hoses, and hauling away of our old washer. We liked that Costco included everything in one price. Other stores charge extra for some of these options. A drain hose is routinely included with the washer at no additional charge. Another big plus in purchasing from Costco is their second-year warranty. Normally this washer only comes with LG's 1-year parts and labor warranty. The motor and tub have 10-year and lifetime part warranties, respectively.